Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw? We saw the second lesson numbers. In numbers what we saw? We saw the numbers name. Okay, you already very well known about the numbers name 1 to 20. In previous class we learned about the numbers name 10 to 100 and 1 to 1000. Okay, it is very useful to your second term examinations. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the numbers name 1 to 1000. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, I thought about the numbers name in previous class. I hope all are clear about the numbers name. Okay, today we are going to see the topic in second lesson numbers. The topic is addition. Okay, you already known the addition in first standard. Okay, the two digit number addition. Today we are going to recall the topic addition and we are going to learn the addition sums with carryover. In second standard you are going to do the carryover sums. Okay, once again I recall the addition sums. Okay, normal addition sums. Addition means what? You already know. Addition means what? Add up together two or more numbers to get a total. Okay, we are adding two or more than two numbers to get a big total. It is called addition. The total is called the answer. Okay, the total is called the answer. The total is called the answer of the given sum. Okay, this is the addition. You already known about addition. Okay, for example, you have to solve this sum. Okay, you have to add the sum. Okay, how did you add? First you consider the ones column. This is ones column. You already know two digit number means first one is ones column, the second one is tens column. Okay, first you add the ones column. In the two numbers you have to add the ones column first. How did you add? First you keep the number 1 in your mind and 5 in your finger. Okay, 1 in your mind and 5 in your finger. Okay, one after what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the answer? 6. You have to write 6 in ones place. In answer place you have to write the 6 in ones place. Okay, in answer space you have to write the ones place adding answer in answer. Okay, second you are going to add the tens in tens place. Okay, first you are keep the number 2 in your mind. Okay, 2 in the mind and keep 4 in your finger. Okay, 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 2 after what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the answer? 6. You have to write the answer 6 in the tens place answer. Okay, in tens place answer. Okay, what is the answer of this? Adding this two number, what is the answer? 66. We are getting the total 66. This is called total and this is also called answer. Okay, this is also called answer. Okay, this is the normal addition sums. Okay, today we are going to learn about the another addition method. This is called carryover. This is called carryover. Okay, see, addition with carryover. Okay, addition with carryover. Carryover means you are keeping one number in the another term. Okay, in next term, that is called carryover. Okay, addition with carryover means, okay, addition with carryover means if you add the two one digit numbers, okay, you are going to add the two one digit numbers. Okay, one digit numbers, for example 5 and 5. Okay, you are going to add the one digit number. If you get the one answer in one digit means that is called this method. Okay, if you get the answer one digit means you are doing in this method. But you are getting the answer in two digit like 10, 11. Okay, you are going to add like this carryover. Okay, addition with carryover means if you add the two one digit numbers, if you add the two one digit numbers, the answer is two digit means the answer is two digit means if you add the two one digit numbers, the answer is two digit means you have to keep the one digit in ones place. Okay, for example, you are if you are adding two digit numbers or two one digit numbers, you are getting 14 means you have to keep 4 in ones place answer and 1 in the another next term. You are keeping the next term in another place. Okay, number means if you have to keep the one digit in ones place answer and carry over the second digit in tens place of the question number. Okay, tens place of the question. Okay, if you see one example, you are very clear about the carryover sums. Okay, see, then add the tens place. Okay, if you carry over the number in tens place means then you add the tens place means you are keeping the carry over in tens place and add this all. Okay, and you get the answer. Then add the tens place with the carry over. Okay, you have to add the tens place with the carry over number. You get the total of the sum. Okay, you get the total of the sum. That is called answer. I already told total is the answer of the sum. Okay, this is the carry over. Okay, see, if you see the example, you very well clear about the carry over sum. See, first sum, what is the first sum? 37 and 27. 37 and 27. What is the procedure to add these two numbers? First you consider the ones place and add this two number. Okay, first you add the ones place and add the ones place, consider the ones place and add the ones place two numbers. First keep the above number in mind. Keep the 7 in your mind and keep 7 fingers in your hand. Okay, 7 after what? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 13, 14. If we add the 7 and 7, we get the total 14. What is the answer? 14. The answer is 2 digit. So you keep the ones place answer in this side, downside, and keep 1 in the upside of the tens place. Okay, next term. You have to add the ones place. If the answer is 2 digit means you have to keep the ones place in ones place answer. The answer is 14. Okay, you have to write the first number 4 in ones place and keep the 1 and keep the 1 in tens place upside. Okay, this is called carry over. The 1 is called carry over. Okay, you have first you add this two numbers, 7 plus 7, we are getting the answer 14. The answer is 2 digits, so you put the ones place in ones place answer and tens place in, you keep the tens place answer in upside of the tens place term. Okay, upside of the tens place term. Then you are going to add this three numbers. Okay, if you carry over some number means you have to add the number with the total. Okay, for example, keep 1 in mind, 3 in the finger, 1 after 2, 3, 4. You have to keep write 4 in the middle of the number. Okay, then you keep 4 in your mind and 2 in your finger. 4 after what? 5, 6. The answer is 6. Okay, the answer is 664. Okay, once again I recall the carry over sums. Listen carefully. First you consider the ones place and add the two numbers, 7 plus 7. We are getting the answer in 2 digit. If you are getting the answer in 2 digit means you are going to put the ones place answer in ones place and tens place answer in upper side of the tens place. Okay, carry over. Okay, you have to carry over the number in another term and add these three numbers, all three numbers, you get the answer of tens place. Okay, first you add these two numbers and get a total. You keep the total in the middle of the side and answer and add the another number, 4 plus 2, you get the answer 6. Okay, this is the carry over sum addition. Okay, next we are going to do the another sum. First keep 3 in your mind and 9 in your finger. Okay, 9 in your finger. Okay, 3 after what? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? 12. If the answer is 2 digit means first put ones place in the ones place answer and carry over the another number in tens place. Okay, the upside of the tens place and add this two number. 4 plus 1 what? 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write 5 in the middle of these two numbers and add this 5 and 2. First put 5 in your mind and 2 in the finger. 5 after what? 6, 7. Okay, 7. What is the answer? 72. This is the answer. Okay, next see, 5 plus 6. Keep 5 in your mind, 6 in the finger. 6 in the finger. Okay, 5 after what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and 11. What is the answer? 11. The number is 2 digits, so put the ones place answer in ones place and carry over the tens place in 10 upside of the tens place term. Okay, first add these two numbers, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. 1 after what? 2, 3. Write 3 in the middle of these two numbers and add these two numbers again. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 61. Okay. This is called addition with carry over. Carry over. The number, you are keeping the number in upside of the tens place is called the carry over. Okay. This sum is called carry over sums. Okay. Next I will give the homework for you. Today homework is you have to do the sums. I will give 6 sums. You have to add these 6 sums with carry over. I will give the 6 sums with carry over. You have to do the sums with clear. Okay. I hope all are clear about the addition sums with carry over. Okay. I hope all are write the answers correctly and send it. Okay. Thank you.